Hello guys, what's good? It's almost been a year since my last video and a lot of stuff changed since then. So I've started working on a new hobby project and I made this. The download link will be on the description of the video and I'm going to show you how to use it. So first you're going to need your character AI token. So open character AI in your browser. You can go to developer tools, alright? Then make sure you are in the application tab. If you're on Chrome, it should be the same. You can check on that. You can head over settings, manage models, and here you can type your character AI token here. So your token is in this key. This is the key and this is the token. Alright? And this is your token right here. It's a char token, a value. All you have to do is just copy this and paste it here. And I want to show you guys what I copied, alright? There's no double quotes, just this. Alright, and paste it here. And next, you are gonna need your 11 Labs token. All you have to do is just head over 11labs.io and then click profile. And from there, you can see your API key. Right click this and click copy and paste it here. There you go. And for the VTuber model, just make sure you have VTube Studio installed. You can get it from Steam and any sources. Once you launch VTube Studio, you're gonna have this pop-up. Just click allow. And if you didn't have that pop-up, make sure that this is enabled. Start API. Alright? Make sure this is enabled. And head over settings and you can find mouse open. Click input. Then set it to mouse input. So there you go, it should be the same. And from there on, you should be good to go. If you have any questions, you can join the Discord or just comment down below. I hope you guys like it, and here's a sample. Well, would you bring me a glass of milk? It's a very weird request. But yeah.
Yes, sir. Brings a glass of milk. Is there anything else I can get for you, sir?
Bring me a glass of water.
Strange variables of human life and make something out of a crazy quilt that saves hundreds of lives.
Brings a glass of water. Here you go, sir. Anything else I can get for you?
Bring me a burger.
Yes, sir. Brings a hamburger. Do you want anything to drink with that, sir?
Bring me a Pepsi, I guess.